Welcome to this technical guide on the desktop PC. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your desktop PC is making odd noises, you're not alone. This could be due to a failing component, like a hard drive, fan, or even dusty internals. Ignoring these noises can lead to further damage, potentially resulting in a complete failure of your device, which can be costly to repair. Let's take a look at what you'll need to get started. You will need a screwdriver set, some anti-static wrist straps, a can of compressed air, and replacement parts if necessary. Make sure you have a clean workspace and all your tools ready. To begin, ensure your desktop PC is turned off and unplugged. Open the case by unscrewing the screws at the back, gently sliding off the side panel. Take your time here, as forcing it can damage the case. Once inside, listen closely to identify where the noise is coming from. Often, it's the cooling fans or hard drives that are the culprits. If you notice a fan that's making an unusual noise, it might be obstructed by dust or debris. Carefully use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust. If the noise persists, you may need to replace the fan. To do this, disconnect the power cable from the fan and unscrew it from the chassis. Be mindful of the screws, they can be small and easy to lose. When replacing the fan, ensure it's the right size and model for your PC. Secure it in place, reconnect the power cable, and check that it spins freely. If it's a hard drive making the noise, it might indicate a serious issue. Back up your data immediately if possible. Unscrew the hard drive from its bay, disconnect the cables, and prepare to replace it. Again, be careful not to damage nearby components while you're working. Once you have replaced the hard drive, secure it in place, reconnect the cables, and close the case by sliding the panel back on and securing it with screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now that your PC is closed up, plug it back in and power it on. Listen carefully to ensure the noises have stopped. If everything sounds good, congratulations on your repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean out your PC and check the health of your components. Keeping your system dust-free and monitoring your hardware can save you from these problems in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.